Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by confirming tools and choosing your guard. That decision sets length and the final look. Once set, remove tangles and position the cape or towel. Make sure hair is dry for consistent cutting. Start at the nape and push the clipper upward in controlled, overlapping strokes about 1/2 to 1 inch apart, keeping the blade flat against the head. Move deliberately and check symmetry in the mirror. Steady pressure prevents uneven patches and helps you establish a clean baseline. Once the baseline is set, switch guards to create a blended transition. You go shorter near the bottom and longer toward the top for a natural fade. Use the clipper over comb technique to remove harsh lines. Hold the comb at a slight angle and skim the clipper along the comb teeth. Work in small sections, repeat passes, and step back to view the silhouette. If you hit a stubborn line, soften it by easing to an intermediate guard and feathering with light wrist motions until the blend reads seamless. To finish, remove the cape, brush off loose hair and trim the neckline and around ears for crisp edges. Use no guard or a trimmer with tiny strokes for precision. Once done, inspect from multiple angles and lighting, making small, deliberate corrections where density looks uneven. If you overcut a spot, don't panic. Work slowly, take off tiny amounts with a longer guard, and reblend the surrounding area. One key tip: when things go wrong, pause and shorten gradually rather than rushing larger cuts, which prevents.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.